Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am so excited about this palette right here. This is a huge, beautiful face palette and it's from one of my favorite brands, LA Colors. This is the I Heart Makeup Glow Palette. And this big palette with 8 large pans of shades for the face retails for $6 at Family Dollar. That's where I picked this up, and I'm so excited to see if this is good because for $6 and all of this product, that is an amazing deal. And on the back of this palette, this is one of the things I love about LA Colors, it shows you exactly how to use it. So I love LA Colors because they make incredible products at great price points, but I love how they simplify makeup and they make it accessible to everybody. And so I love that they explain where to place the colors on the back here. And so first things first, I do want to just do some swatches, get an idea of the formulas and the shades. So like this, oh my gosh, I was thinking that might be too dark for a highlight, but it might actually work. Then we've got some more like shimmery bronzers and blushes, and then some mattes as well. And oh my gosh, the texture of these is so nice, buttery feel. They look super pigmented, and face powder colors don't need to be super pigmented. And these might even be like overly pigmented where I'm gonna have to go in with a light hand. Wow. There's a little bit of, I guess, like crumbliness to these, but oh my gosh, these swatches are so impressive. I mean, if these were eyeshadows, I would be impressed by how pigmented these are. But here are these swatches. They have beautiful texture, beautiful colors. So for the bronzer shades, you've got one matte, one a little bit more shimmery, and they do look kind of more orange, like warm toned, but I'm going to start out picking up some of the matte on the angled side of my brush here and try using this as a little like cheek bronzer contour. Okay, so it does look very rosy on the skin. It doesn't really give a contour effect because it's too red, but this is actually like my favorite shade of blush to use. I love to use like a beachy rose, warm tone, almost bronzer shade of blush because of how it warms up the skin tone so much, and I find it to be the most flattering shade. So even though that's kind of like the bronzer in this palette, I know I'm going to get use out of this shade and probably this one too as blushes because I'm always looking for great brownish rosy blush tones. And even just where I tried to place it as a bronzer, I'm like, oh, that is such a beautiful blush shade. For the fun of it, I'll go ahead and pick up the more shimmery of the bronzers. A little bit of kick back there. And I'll just, oh, it looks very red here, but kind of bronze up the forehead. I don't mind having a little bit of shimmer in the bronzer on the forehead. I think that could help give a pretty glow to the skin. But now that I'm actually seeing it on my face blended out, you really can't even notice any shimmer. But it has a beautiful texture, blendable, pigmented. I just wish these bronzer shades were a little bit more brown, but I love them as blush shades, so I kind of wouldn't change the color anyways. But so let's move on to some blush. So maybe I'll do one on each cheek for the fun of it. This one looks very red and is the type of blush shade that I don't always love on me because I have so much redness in my cheeks anyways. And if a blush is too red, I think it's just going to look too much like the rosacea redness that I get. But oh my gosh, the pigment and the blendability, is that a word? of these formulas is amazing. Like, not the most flattering shade of blush, but the formula is so good. I am blown away by the quality of this product right now. So now, I know it's going to be a little funny looking, but picking up that pretty bright pink. Let's see how this looks on the other cheek. I don't find the bright pinks like this to be super flattering on me either, but I love a bright pink color, so I'm very drawn to this shade. Bring it over my nose a little bit to even out how rosy my cheeks look. I mean, I feel like I can kind of get away with wearing this for the rest of the day, even though this is a brighter pink and this is more of a red. I don't think it's too noticeable, but just like so quick and easy to apply. I tried to use a light hand, but my cheeks are looking very flushed still. And then we've got these two shades that I feel like could be great blush toppers. And you know what? Once again, I'm going to use one on each cheek. So pick up a little bit of the lightest of the blush topper highlight shades. And ooh, I love a blush topper. I don't use a blush topper every day, but then when I apply it, I'm like, why am I not using this? Look at the radiance and the glow that gives the skin. And the texture of this is amazing. This seems like a high-end product. The texture is completely undetectable. It doesn't look sparkly, yet it's so glowy. And it's so glowy with just applying a little bit. It's so flattering. It's not emphasizing the large pores on my skin or anything like that. It is so beautiful. Let's go ahead and try out this other blushy highlight shade. Just add some beautiful glow to the face. Oh my gosh. Just such smooth powders. Oh my gosh. It looks so natural. I can't get over how natural the radiance looks with both shades. Like the shine, the glow is so noticeable, but not noticeable in texture, if that makes sense. And then I didn't think I'd be able to use all 8 shades, but I think I will. We've got these bottom 2 shades left. And maybe for the fun of it, I'll pick this more golden one up on my finger and do a little brow highlight. So pretty. Once again, pigmented, reflective, glowy without being glittery, which this is exactly what I want in my highlighters. I want it to look like natural radiance, not shimmer, sparkle, glitter, glow. And this is so pretty. Definitely a true golden shade. Like you can see the golden color, not just the glow. And I feel like that golden color gives like an even more brightening effect, which is so pretty. And then this more champagne shade, picking this up on my finger, I feel like this could be a perfect highlight for everywhere. Like I want to see the inner corner. Let's see if it's bright enough for that. Oh yes it is. Give a little glow and radiance to the eyes because it has this like silver sheen to it, but then that more beige base, which looks so natural. I'm going to pick up even more and I can't resist. I just have to go in with a little bit more on the cheek, even though I've already got the blush topper giving the skin radiance. I just need to see how this looks, and it is so beautiful. Like when you touch these highlighters, it just has such a smooth, buttery, almost creamy feel to them, which is not exactly the type of formula I would expect from a $6 palette, but it feels so luxurious and it looks incredible on the skin as well. It's not leaving a powdery texture behind. It's super visible glow. Just seriously everything I look for in a face palette, or just individually, everything I look for in a blush, a highlighter, a blush topper. My face is looking so transformed. It has so much more life and radiance. I just can't stop saying that word with these products. I'm loving how my skin and my makeup is looking. I'm so excited that this $6 palette performs so well, because I was hoping I would be able to recommend this to you as a perfect face palette to pick up, because I love to, of course, recommend great products, but then when they're at great price points, that is just my ultimate find. And this is seriously amazing. This deserves so much hype, and this is exactly why I'm so obsessed with LA Colors and why I cannot stop trying out every single LA Colors products that I find. So I would really love to hear in the comments down below if you've tried this out, what your thoughts are on it. But if you have not tried this out and you are looking for a face palette, I really recommend this. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.